How to get iPhone emoji on Android? Simply go to your Google and search for Resider iPhone emoji. Click on this website. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom. Click on this download button. Download anyway. Here you can see the file is downloading. Wait for it. After downloading, open the file. Tab on install. The file is installing right now. After installation, open the file. Here you need to do some basic settings. Enable emoji keyboard. Here switch on emoji keyboard 10. Select OK and continue. Now switch to enable emoji keyboard. Select emoji keyboard 10 and continue. Allow access to all. Now we have to check does this file is working or not. Simply go to your Google, open keyboard and click on emoji icon. Here you can see I have all the iPhone emoji in my Android. You have done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.